Hi there. So today I'm going to draw what I think a 2019 Dodge Avenger would look like. So if we look at the 2008 Avenger and we compare it to the 2008 Charger, you'll see there's not much of a difference in styling. So maybe we can take the current Charger and try to base the 2019 Avenger off of that. But the thing is, the current Charger has this kind of Coke bottle styling that came straight from the 1968 Charger, and it doesn't make sense for the Avenger because the Avenger doesn't have that kind of heritage. You look at the Dart, we can't really copy the Dart styling either because it has this plunging beltline at the windows, which it works for a compact car like the Dart, but if you try to put it on a mid-sized car, you see no mid-sized cars have that kind of styling. The proportions would just be too off. I'm going to look at the Chrysler 200, FCA's most recent mid-sized sedan, and take the beltline and roofline off of that car, and then because Dodge is more muscular, I'll look at the Durango and take like the body lines and the character lines and the more muscular shoulders off the Durango and try to merge that all into the modern Avenger. But we still need to use the Dodge corporate front end that you see on the Charger, so maybe I'll take the front end off the Charger and maybe make it a bit less aggressive. So now I'm going to draw the rear end. It's just pretty simple. You just copy the Dodge corporate rear end. I mean, it all looks the same. Uh, and then cover half the rear end with a grill because really there's nothing new here. So now I'm going to draw the interior. I'm just going to copy the instrument cluster and infotainment cluster that it's all outlined in one piece in the Dodge and the Dart. So I'll just copy that and make the whole interior similar to like the Dot and the Charger. But I'll make sure to add in that pop can holder in the above the glove box that they originally had in the 2008 Avenger because that was a pretty funky and cool feature. Yeah, so that's what I think the 2019 Avenger would look like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.